Alright, welcome to Keith's Kitchen Chronicles. Today we got a short for you, something real quick. We're going to make a tomato sauce. Quick one, almost like a marinara. We're gonna sweat some onions, some garlic, then we're gonna add some oregano, some basil, some Italian seasoning. We got some fresh ground black pepper in there, a little more garlic. And then we're just gonna do some crushed tomatoes and let that simmer nice and slow. And let's see what we got going on here. This is a Pampered Chef rock pot. It's pretty cool, pretty versatile. It doubles as a crock pot. It's dishwasher safe. I'll put a link to Patty Unro's Pampered Chef store. You can see maybe if they still have it or something like it. It has a glass lid. It can go in the oven. It's dishwasher safe. It's great for making soups. It's usually about enough for like a family of 4 or 5 to make a great soup. So we're going to let those just simmer there and we'll come back in a minute or two. Alright, that's looking good. So now we're going to drop our chopped garlic in there. And let that go for a minute or so. We don't want to brown the garlic, it'll get bitter. And then we're going to add in our spices to let them bloom a little bit. Alright, so I got my spices in now. We're going to mix them up and let them bloom a little bit. And then I got 3 28-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes. Open up. We do have some tomato paste in case we want a little thicker. We will see later how it looks. Wow, that smells really good. All right, let's get some tomato paste. Crushed tomatoes. Turn this down a touch. I'm not gonna burn nothing. 2. 3. Probably could go for a 4th one, because it's going to cook down. Those onions are pretty much just going to melt away in there. I think we're going to put a 4th can in. So this is going to go on some chicken cutlet parmesan. Yesterday my wife and my son made about 40 pieces of chicken, breaded and fried the cutlets. So we'll do another video where we show you how to do that. But this is just a quick one here. This is pretty much done. Let's let it simmer. You want a bubble to come up every once in a while. You can put a lid on so it doesn't splash, but you got to keep the lid off a little bit because you want it to cook down a little bit. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you later.